Hey everybody, welcome to my channel Tarot Warrior. My name is Aparna and I'm here today to do a current feelings reading for the sign of Virgo. This is a general reading, so it may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. Only take what resonates, leave the rest. And if none of the messages resonate, you can always check videos of your other sign placements. Moon or Venus sign for additional information. So, Virgo, let's start and let's look at how do you feel about your person. We are going to then look at your person's feelings for you. Towards the end, we are going to look at this person's future action and outcome of this connection. So please stick around till the end. Also, do like, share, and subscribe to this channel. I'll be truly grateful for all the comments as well. So, Virgo, what I see here is you have the Nine of Swords. This is an energy of somebody who's very stressed, thinking about um, a lot of things going on in your mind, stressing about things, a lot of anxiety. Could also be depression for some of you. So yeah, yes, there's something which is going on in your mind, and it is stressing you out about this person, about this relationship. This person is at a crossroads. They are wondering, planning, strategizing. They're thinking what or how this is going to go towards the future. What is going to be the future like? So there's a lot of planning happening here. They may not be exactly sharing their thoughts with you, which is also something that is stressing you out. But there is a energy of having to make a choice. So maybe this person is at a crossroads trying to decide if they should continue or not in this connection. You have a lot of fear here. There's a lot of pain, um, and you're trying to protect yourself from further pain. You have been through difficult relationships in the past, and now you're kind of in this energy of guarding yourself so that you don't feel disappointed again. You're very protective, so somewhere you were very careful of things. You're not feeling very open and vulnerable, and even now I see you worrying and stressed about this person's feelings for you. Maybe worried about the future, worried if this is going to work out or not. This person as a Queen of Cups is somebody who, on the contrary, is very open with their emotions, very open with their feelings, very expressive. Queen of Cups is Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So this could be somebody who is very, not the kinds to hold back. Um, and even that is something that kind of overwhelmed you initially. I do see an ending here, Ten of Swords. So you were worried about something coming to an end, and I see that happening here with the Ten of Swords, feeling very drained, feeling very betrayed, feeling very uh, like there's no going back after this. The Wheel of Fortune is here for this person. So this is a connection that has been through a lot. This is a connection that has seen a lot of ups and downs, and this is something that you've been through before. Maybe there has been breakups before, you got back together. So it feels like and this person feels like this is not the right time for this relationship. um, so again, I kind of sense that there could be a reconciliation sometime in the future, but maybe this is not the right time for the two of you. Or if this has already happened, if you've already broken up, it's been a while, maybe this person is reconsidering, they want to reconnect with you. Page of Pentacles is here, so this is a new beginning for you. You're going towards something new. This could also be an apology. Maybe you're going and you want to apologize to this person and see if you can start over. But this person has a Hierophant, Taurus energy. So somewhere it looks like this person is, kind of, I don't know why this person, I get this feeling that this person is not feeling like this is the right time, or there's something about religious beliefs maybe that's in conflict here. But let's just clarify, why is the Nine of Swords here for you? The Magician. So again, there is a duality here, and you're not able to figure out what is really happening, because there are times when this relationship is going well, and then there are times when it's not. So you feel helpless, especially emotionally, mentally. You feel like you don't have control, you don't know what or where this is going. Why is the Two of Wands here? Page of Cups. For this person, this is a new beginning, a new start. Again, this could be an apology. So maybe this person is wondering if they should come towards you or not. Maybe they are wondering if they should apologize to you or not. Why is the Nine of Wands here? There is an energy of waiting. So again, maybe you both are separated from each other and you've been waiting for this person to reach out to you. And this wait has been quite a long wait, and you're almost worried that this person may not come back. This person has a lot of emotions and feelings, but they are either with somebody else, King of Swords, Aquarius energy, or they are showing up as a King of Swords who's not very open, who's not very expressive. So why is the King of Swords here? Hanged Man. So yeah, they're not opening up, they're not showing their emotions, and that's very weird for you, because you feel cut off from them. Why is the Ten of Swords here? There is a reconciliation. So especially if you are separated from this person, I see this person coming back, and that's why the Wheel is here, because I feel the time was not right for you both to connect with each other earlier, but now it looks like this person does miss you, they want to reconnect with you, they want to be with you. But there again, there's this energy of not wanting to, maybe this could be ego, maybe they kind of want to be with you, but they're playing mind games, they're playing, they are playing hard to get. They are not wanting to acknowledge their feelings for you. So, or they want you to come to them, something like that, very immature. Why is the Page of Pentacles here? Temperance. So you are willing to reach out, you're willing to um, go to them, apologize, make things, make peace with, or whatever happened in the past. This person has a Hierophant and the Sun. So there's a lot of clarity coming in. They're realizing that they have missed you. They are realizing that they have also played a part in the separation between the two of you. They feel bad about a lot of things that happened in the past. So let's see what is the future action going to be from this person's side. They are feeling very low, they are feeling very disappointed, they are feeling like a lack of self-confidence. Again, their emotions are all over the place. They have deep feelings for you. They feel like, again, they feel very negative about this, despite the fact that you've come forward. There's a lot of negative energy around this person. I see the Four of Cups, Five of Swords, Moon, hiding a lot of their feelings, hiding their emotions. Why is the outcome? What is the outcome? Outcome is the King of Wands. So somebody here is taking action, either you or them, and there is a judgment call being made. So this person needs to release release their judgments about themselves and about this relationship if things have to move forward. Otherwise, it's just going to be stagnant and stuck, because somebody here is stuck in their head. Okay, they are feeling energetically like stagnant because they are not able to come out of something, come out of their own cage, mental cage. So unrequited love, yeah, that's what I'm getting. There's not enough attraction or chemistry to keep this relationship going, because this person is very negative. They kind of feel like this is a missed opportunity. It's a lot of negative talk about themselves, about you, about the relationship. Retreat, it's time to disconnect from the world. Maybe the two of you just need to connect with each other and take a break from everybody else. Go and spend some time alone, get to know each other again, have a good heart to heart talk with this person. Keep an open mind. Your soulmate may differ from your usual type and expectation. So, Virgo, this was really draining energy, but this is what I have for you. I hope this helps and resonates. If it does, please do give me a like, share, do subscribe to my channel. If you wish to book a private reading, I am available for personal readings as well. You can reach out to me on my email ID or my website. All the details are on the screen in the description box. Check it out there. And I'll be back with another reading. Till then, take care, guys.